Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your credit card issuer alerts with American Express. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your American Express account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section on the main dashboard. Look for the Alerts option within that section. Click on Alerts to access your notification settings. Here, you'll find a list of alert types related to your account activity. To verify your credit card issuer alerts, choose the type of alert you want to check. You can select alerts for transactions, payment due dates, or spending limits. Review the settings for the selected alert type to ensure they are configured to your preference. If you want to make changes, you can easily adjust the frequency and delivery method of the alerts. Make sure to save any changes you make before leaving the page. Next, check the email or phone number linked to your account for receiving alerts. To confirm, go to the Profile section of your account. Verify that your contact information is accurate and up to date. After confirming your contact details, consider enabling mobile notifications for instant alerts. To enable mobile alerts, return to the Alerts section and follow the prompts. Make sure you have the latest version of the American Express mobile app installed on your device. Open the app and sign in using your account credentials. In the app, navigate to the Settings section. Here, you can customize your preferences for alerts and notifications. Once you set your preferences, exit the app to complete the setup. To test your alerts, perform a small transaction on your credit card. Check your email or phone for a notification confirming the transaction. If you receive the alert, your configuration is successful. If not, revisit the alert settings to double-check your configurations. This ensures you stay informed about your account activity with American Express. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.